I'm just ballin', flossing, rolling through my neighborhood, ballin', flossing, rolling through my neighborhood, ballin', flossing, rolling through my neighborhood.
What's the other joint? What was the other joint we're looking at?
Okay, my will presidential, 10 presidential, money presidential, bitches presidential, everything black, so you know I'm presidential.
He gonna hook up to the front center, and he gonna pull at an angle that way.
Riding through the hood with my top down, she know I like it better when the top down. Niggas hating on me cause I'm hot now. No surprise, I know why I'm getting money, yeah. It's a lovely day, so I'ma ride the city. Cup full of something to slow down my senses. These designer shoes cost a nice penny. That's $750, we talk Pacifics. That Rose Gold compliment.
What up, YouTube? So today, I thought this was pretty cool, man. So I should have got my camera ready, but I didn't expect to be this excited after I opened the box. Well, I started opening my first box. So I placed the order from fastgrowingtrees.com. Of course, I'm starting on my landscaping for the crib, making sure I get all my evergreens in and my shrubs and all this stuff, because I want this mug to be like a freaking, what you call it, a botanical gardens out here, damn near. So I ordered 10 I forgot how you say these, so 2G something tall, these little tall trees, whatever. And I ordered some shrubs. Maybe say, you know what? I'm gonna get y'all the names of everything, because I need y'all to see this. I need y'all to know this before I even show this to y'all. So my order just came in, so they sent me a confirmation that it was delivered. And so I ordered 6 emerald green abreviettes or whatever, vites or whatever, abreviettes, whatever, shrubs. And then I ordered 10 Tugia green giants. And the 10 pack is 1 to 2 foot tall, so they all like probably 1 foot tall trees. And same for the evergreen arborvitae shrubs or whatever. They're gonna be probably 1 to 2 feet tall. It don't really matter, maybe 1.5 feet, but that's the point. And then I got a free Japanese maple tree. So of course, seeing the pictures, let me see if I can blow this up, let y'all see. These are the pictures that they showed on the website. Of course, that's fully grown trees. Of course, I ordered this 1 or 2 foot versions. But that Chinese maple tree, look at that thing. I thought that looked like a cool little tree, and I looked at how a grown one looked, and it looked pretty awesome. Well, I just opened the box up. Trees just got here in the box. First thing I said, oh my gosh, look at how bright green and pretty these trees are. Look at this. Look at this, man. These trees are freaking. Let me set this up. We gotta do an unboxing, man, because fast growing trees, y'all have surprised me. I mean, I didn't expect poor quality, of course, but I didn't expect packaging to be this well. The trees to look this good. Look at this, look at this. Look at how they healed up. Gotta get these out, open them up, water them ASAP. I can feel how light that dirt is. Beautiful, beautiful evergreens. Beautiful evergreens. I'm immediately gonna transplant them into bigger pots. Now I'm gonna get over here. Look, another beautiful, beautiful plant. Beautiful plant. And look, the Chinese maple tree. Look, another beautiful, beautiful, beautiful plant. Oh, got a little brown on that one. I don't know what that one is, but hopefully we can just cut that off. Look at this Chinese maple tree, man. That thing look just like the picture. That's gonna be a pretty one right there. Add some color, some more color in the yard. That's box number 1. Now we got box number 2. And these are my 2G trees or whatever. Let me make some space for them. Ooh. Get those staples away from me. So these are my apple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These trees gonna grow a little faster now. This one got banged up a little bit. I see they turned the box the wrong way, but that's not their fault. Get these out so they can grow. Look at this, pretty green. These trees are well taken care of. You can see this box got thrown around a little bit. Boom, boom. 10 of these. 10 of these. All of them pretty. All of them pretty. All of them pretty. Get these out. That ain't supposed to happen. But let's continue on. Yeah, this pot got cracked a little bit, but growing pretty. Yep. I mean, these trees are beautiful. These are some beautiful trees, man. The roots ready to go crazy. Look at that. They can't wait to get some more dirt. I'm gonna upsize the pots before I put them directly in the ground. I know some people just put them straight in the ground from here, but I'm gonna upsize the pots. Put them in some more dirt, and then put them in and manually water them till probably they get another foot maybe, and then after another foot, I'll probably go ahead and throw them in the ground, and then we're gonna be looking good. So overall, I mean, I can easily say I'm pretty happy with my purchase, man. These trees are real pretty. Look at these things. Look, you want to be in the camera?
No.
Yeah, you do. You can't right for it, boy. You came right to the camera.
You were doing.
Yeah, you know what I'm doing. But again, man, look at this. Trees are perfect. Hey, you're gonna have to help me. You're gonna help me take this plastic off, and you're gonna give me. I'm gonna need like those black pots under that table out over there. I'm gonna need like 16 of them. And take all of these out here and put them in those bigger pots with some more dirt. But look, short little video, man, just to show y'all how the unpacking of these trees came out to be. I'm gonna plant them in the yard at some point in the near future, but for the meantime, I'm gonna jump start them. I need to buy me one of those little small baby. Remember the old school pools, the little hard line pools that's like 6 foot wide, little round pool. I need to buy one of those and put some water in there so I can sit these down in there. Some water and like a little liquid fertilizer or something. And that way I can freaking reverse feed them. But yeah, man, I'm happy with my purchase. Again, make sure y'all stay tuned to the channel, man. Hit that sub button, turn them notifications on so y'all see what's going on whenever I'm posting, man. Again, y'all know what it is, man. Deuce.